super sunny today, bro. Hopefully the camera doesn't overexpose and you guys get to see Dusty. But your Spot and Play boys, welcome back to another video. This is probably going to be like a multiple step process video because we're going to be reviving Dusty. I'm gonna try to have her looking good like how I used to have her like in these pictures right here, and yeah, make Dusty great again basically. A lot of stuff has been slowly just deteriorating on Dusty. You guys seen everything I just showed in the cinematic clips. I need new badges. Well, the badges are okay for now, but I definitely need new badges. But my main concern is my front lip, my side skirt, my roof spoiler, my sun banner, and obviously just clean up the engine bay as well. So we're gonna be getting into all that stuff, man. It's gonna be, I don't even know how long this is gonna be. It's probably gonna be a couple days of me doing this type of stuff. I'm trying to get Dusty back to how she used to be so I could start taking her out to car shows and, you know, stuff like that again. I really miss being able to go in these car shows and have people be like, damn, that Civic clean, damn, that Civic hard. I'm trying to have Dusty back in shows. There's so many car shows opening up now, and I haven't been to a car show probably 2-3 years now, man. So definitely want to get Dusty back into car show mode, cause bro, cars like Dusty's beautiful, clean car. It's just I've been letting it bake in the sun. Haven't been really trying to wax like the carbon that was on it, so it just deteriorated basically. So we're gonna be getting back into cleaning the car up and having it look A1 again, most def. But it is gonna take a couple days, probably even weeks for me to do that since I do work. But the first thing I'm gonna tackle is that front lip. If I can get that front lip A1, it's gonna set off the whole body, it's gonna set off the whole car, to be honest. Then probably the next thing I do is my side skirt or my sunroof banner, sun strip banner, because that right there is disgusting as well. And yeah, the easiest thing right now is probably the headlight. I can knock that out a day after work or something like that. But yeah, we gonna be doing it a day by day and showing you guys, I guess, the rebirth for Dusty. But I'm gonna include this all in one video. I ain't trying to make multiple videos because that's just stupid. So let's get into it. Super hot, and I've been trying to knock out everything. The lip is inside, put the final clear on it. Now I'm just letting it air dry. I sanded down, you guys seen that? I sanded down the headlight, but I can't open the garage because I don't want no dust to fall from the garage opening onto the lip. So I'm waiting for it to dry, and then I'm polish the front headlight. Over here I replaced my my roof spoiler like I said I was. I kind of like it without, but just not flowing with me. So right here I got my new one, and as you guys can see, I just hit it with some clear. Gonna sand that down as well as this dries, and this should be perfect. Like, I shouldn't have any problems with the carbon like changing colors and stuff like that. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I might hit it with another coat actually, just to make sure that it's perfect. And then yeah, man, sand it down and install it. Turn out good. It's turning out good.
3 weeks later.
Alright guys, so I don't know where I left off, but I think I did show you guys the lip being sanded down and all that stuff. It's been like 3 weeks, bro. The lip's been on the car for about a week now, or a little bit over a week, and it looks amazing, bro. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Yeah, play some cinematics. Now all this sun is making it hard for you guys to see the lip, but I'm telling you right now, it looks really damn good. Yeah, I had it on for about a week now, so I should sand it down a little bit more and repolish it, because I do see some spots that looks like it needs it, but it looks freaking good, bro. I forgot how good it looks because it was always chipped and like missing a big old piece of paint. But yeah, it looks good. Look at Dusty. Fire, bro. Sheesh. Alright, so now what I want to knock out is the side skirts. Like I said, the side skirts on this car are breaking and they're clapped. So what I'm going to use to fix that, or just to make them look a little bit more put together, is some plastic welder. So I bought this at AutoZone. I don't remember how much I bought it for because I got it on a gift card. So yeah, it's multi-purpose, can use on hard plastics, ABS, fiberglass, PVC, glass, vinyl, and most composites. So I'm guessing it should do well on the side skirts. I think the side skirts are fiberglass or it's like hard plastic, one of those two. And it's easy. So yeah, we're gonna give it a shot, see what it does. My side skirts are clapped, and yeah, they just need some love and repair. Cause yeah, look at this, bro. Right there is broken. Right here is broken. I believe the back side is fine. On this side, one of my pieces right here is broken, and I believe right here as well is broken. So hopefully it isn't a pain in the butt getting them off the car. I did have them on the car for a while now, but yeah, it shouldn't be that bad. Hopefully the heat from the sun allows this 3M tape to just pop back off. But yeah, let's get into it. Should be easy, I hope. Alright, you guys, so the side skirt is off. I forgot how ugly, or not ugly, but how high the car looks without one. But yeah, side skirt is off. It's right here. Cleaned it up. Also cleaned up the panel right there. I can exactly show you where I'm gonna be putting that plastic weld and show you why now. There's no more like, yeah, I'm gonna put it on this side skirt because I got to. I actually can show you why I'm gonna put it. But yeah, man, side skirt is off. Took me way too long, honestly, like way too long. I didn't think the 3M tape was gonna be holding on like that, and yeah, that bit was on there. So yeah, I didn't take off the driver's side. Gonna do that one right now, and hopefully it takes me way less time than it did for me to take out the passenger side, because the passenger side was, bro, I think I put too much 3M tape. Alright, you guys, so got the driver's side on, cleaned it up. Oh, I got the driver's side off and I cleaned up the panel. So yeah, like I said, man, these side skirts been through hell. This piece connects to this side of the side skirt like that, and yeah, as you can see, it broke off. So that's why I'm gonna be using this right here to repair that and any other crack that I see that's on this damn side skirt, bro. These side skirts have been through hell because both of my fender lighting has broke, well, blew up, not even broke. Both of them blew up one day and broke the side skirt, messed up the fender a little bit, but I fixed that. So yeah, today's the day to actually fix the side skirts and have them looking nice and crispy again. I mean, they didn't look bad on the car. I personally just didn't like that I could see the cracks in it. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. So let's get started. Should be pretty easy. Alright, so as you guys can see, kind of right here, I fixed it. This is the piece that was like broken off. Now it's on there. So we're gonna put this bit on the car. Let's do it. I don't know. I don't keep chat. I just make it for love. Then I hop on the jet. Yeah, crazy how they thought it died now. Bitches that shit, it would never be size. Now they wear that shit with pride now. Alright guys, so side skirt is back on. Sadly, it didn't hold as I thought it was gonna hold. The crack that I was worried about came right back. So yeah, that sucks. I guess I just need to buy new side skirts and get them paint matched. But yeah, Dusty is almost finished. The main concern was my lip in my front, my lip in my headlight, and I got that fixed, and it looks damn good. Now we gonna add the topping. Where is it? So I clear coated my carbon fiber roof spoiler, and it came out really damn good. So now we're about to throw this bad boy on the back of the car and hit them cinematics, cause sheesh.
Bitches get jailed, some close from my room, and niggas get jailed. That in the cube, and that shit is a baby, that's 200 grams. I bought a Rollie, same day by Mercedes, that's 200 grand. I miss my wifey, I cut up my host, but I love her to death. I used to wanna be in with the rappers, now I'm with the same bitch, y'all play me. Damn, look how I played out. I make it rain now. Hear what they say now. Ex bitch, y'all play me, huh? Look how I played out. Look at my chain now, bitch. Look at my thing now.
What you guys think about the roof spoiler? You guys like it? I think it's fire, bro. You guys remember me having the other one on, right? And how beautiful it was? This one's a lot smaller, but I like it. I like how subtle it is. And plus it's carbon fiber. I like it a lot. Sheesh. I don't know about you guys, but I think it was a nice addition. Damn. Alright guys, so this is where I'm gonna end off. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was like all over the place. This video is like literally a span of like 3 weeks, 3-4 weeks. So yeah, a lot of stuff happened. So yeah, bro. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Follow your boy on Instagram at _GotTheSoda. Head to my merch site, www.ZOOVIEGarages.com. Cop my roller anti-lag switch. Bro, if you got a boosted knife gen, boosted 8th gen, you're gonna love it. So yeah, man, your boy's out. Peace.